Look, 370, the special status of Jammu and Kashmir is part of the National Conference's political ideology. So it's not something that we are going to just surrender. That said, we're also realistic enough to know that that's not something this assembly is going to do.
मैं आज आप सभी पत्रकार भाइयों के माध्यम से पूरे देश को स्पष्ट कर देना चाहता हूं, धारा 370 इतिहास बन चुकी है, वो कभी लौटकर नहीं आने सकती, हम आने भी नहीं।
It's not something that you're going to be able to do with this current government. You'll probably need a couple of changes of government in the center before it's something that you can even begin to address. Look, it took the BJP decades to do. We're not foolish enough to believe that we're going to undo it in 5 years. It's a long struggle, but it's an issue that we believe is important to keep alive. But it's not the be-all and end-all of our campaign. It is not the only issue on which we're fighting elections. In fact, it's important to remember that our manifesto talks about these political issues in perhaps a paragraph or two. That's it. Our entire manifesto is governance and development related. It talks about jobs, it talks about social welfare schemes, it talks about electricity, water, free education. It talks about helping people tide through this crisis of heavy prices and price increases. So there's a whole lot in our manifesto. I know it's tempting to look at just the one paragraph on the politics of Jammu and Kashmir.
मैं आज आप सभी पत्रकार भाइयों के माध्यम से पूरे देश को स्पष्ट कर देना चाहता हूं, धारा 370 इतिहास बन चुकी है, वो कभी लौटकर नहीं आने सकती, हम आने भी नहीं। क्योंकि धारा 370 ही वो कड़ी थी जो कश्मीर के अंदर युवाओं को हाथ में हथियार और पत्थर पकड़ाती थी। अलगाववाद की विचारधारा ही युवाओं को विकास की जगह आतंकवाद के रास्ते पर शिफ्ट करती थी। और आज मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ढेर सारे काम हुए। धारा 370 के कारण यहां रिजर्वेशन संभव नहीं हो पाता था, महिलाओं को अन्याय होता था, दलित भाइयों को अन्याय होता था, ट्राइबल्स को अन्याय होता था। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने यहां आरक्षण को जमीन पर उतारने का काम किया है।